In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a lesson plan in Magic School AI. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Magic School AI. Then go to the first website, which is magicschool.ai, and then click this. And over here, you want to either sign up for free if you don't have an account yet, or simply log in if you do have an account already. So click on login or sign up, and then once you've done this, you'll be able to put in some information of yours, and then you'll see this kind of dashboard over here, which is the tools page. And then what you want to do from here is search tools up here and type in lesson plan. So just type in lesson plan and then press enter, and as you can see, you will see your lesson plan over here. So to generate a lesson plan, you want to click on this, and then from here, you'll see this wizard. There we go. In here, you can generate a lesson plan for a topic or objective you're teaching. So you have to select the grade level. So for example, let's say it's going to be year 1, and then you have to put in your topic, standard or objective. So for me, let's say I'm going to put in gymnastics. Let's say we're oriented to sports. You can also add in some PDFs and files if you want to, and then you want to add in additional criteria in case you have one. So just put that all in, and then standard set to align to, and then you will have to essentially type in the standards you would like to follow. So for example, over here, let's say we're gonna do Florida because that's what it kind of suggested. And then once you've done this, and of course filled all this out thoroughly, and you have to really make sure you've done a good job, because the better you describe this, and this over here, the better your lesson plan will look at the end, and the happier you will be with your results. So once you've put that in, you want to press generate over here, and just like this, you'll be able to generate a lesson plan in Magic School AI. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.